Welcome to the unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. Now this is DJI's wireless microphone. It is the small one. And let's go ahead and just see what is inside the box. Now both of these mics do support either Android or iPhone connection, which can be incredibly useful. So let's see. And the first thing that you see is just another wrapping paper. So let's just go ahead and remove it. And then on top of the wrapping paper, you have your documents. So here they are. And you can go ahead and open up the documents and just get your quick start user guide and all of that. And then in the other package, let's go ahead and open it. Is now a cloth pouch. So this is supposed to be able to easily carry your wireless mics whenever you're traveling. So when we unzip it, inside we have small other packages ready for us. And this is how the inside of the pouch looks like. It is pretty good quality. So it's a nice cottony soft fabric. So let's just put that there. Now the main star of this show will be the DJI Mini mic. So this is the case for them. So this is how the case looks like. You have your charging port at the back there. Then we can just remove this tape. And then we can just press on this latch like so, and then pop up the case of the mics. So from here, you have your two wireless microphones, that one and that one. Then you have your camera receiver or something that you can use to connect to your computer if you want to. And then you have another receiver that you can insert into your phone. So this is a Type-C receiver. So if anyone of you is using an older model of iPhone that still uses Lightning, I'd recommend you use an adapter so that you can be able to use this receiver. So that's how the inside of the case looks like. And then on top of the case, we have these other small packages. Now, one of these packages is the charging cable. So we can just go ahead and open it like so. Oh, sorry, this is not the charging cable. This is the cable that you can use to connect the camera receiver to your camera. And then in the final package, we have our windscreen protectors. So just in case you're in a noisy or windy area, you can just attach these to your camera to reduce that wind noise. So those are all the items that we received when it came to the unboxing of this specific device. And if you haven't already yet missed it, with the camera receiver cable, there is the charging cable there as well. So it does come with the wireless mics. So in the box, we have our pouch for carrying the mics, our case, cable receiver, windscreens, and our charging cable. So stick around for more videos that I will be doing about these DJI Mini mics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.